Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. So today I thought of recording this Q&A video. I had promised you guys a Q&A video since like, how long has it been now? Almost a year or something. So basically I had told you guys on Discord. I had even made like a full-on like text channel and everything, and I was like, guys, drop in your Q&A. Like, I asked you guys कि अपने अपने questions डाल दो वो channel पे, and then I'll make a video answering all those questions. And a lot of you did, and a lot of you have been waiting for it. And yeah, it's been a very long time. So yeah, I finally decided to make it. So I think like going forward now, I'm planning to start focusing more on videos and stuff. Like streams will happen, but I want to start getting regular with like, you know, just normal video uploads and stuff. So yeah, this is the first step towards that. Fingers crossed I stick to something this time. So yeah, without further ado, let's get answering. I wrote all the questions in this little diary that I have here. Just because I wanted to write something. It's been long since, you know, I wrote anything. My handwriting is like poop. But yeah. Okay. First question. Dahi bada or gupchup? Fellow Odia guy here. I actually really like dahi vada, aloo dum and dahi vada, to be precise. I absolutely love it. You know, like the spicy aloo and then the cooling, refreshing dahi vada is just so good, so good. So yeah, dahi vada for sure. Gupchup is like pani puri basically. Don't really like pani puri too much. Nah, I don't know why. Is streaming the only thing you plan to do? Well, technically, yeah, I do plan to continue streaming and creating content and making videos and stuff for as long as I can, for as long as I am still relevant in the scene. I will continue to do it, but yeah, and hopefully that is like a long time, because I really do love gaming and I want, like मैंने अपना job इसलिए छोड़ा था so that I can do full-time gaming, and now that I can do it, I don't want to quit. Sometimes ऐसे दिमाग में thoughts आते हैं कि, you know, it's not working out, India में gaming इतना progress नहीं कर रहा है, and I should just quit and do something else, but then क्या करे, दिल मानता ही नहीं है. So yeah, I don't have any other plans as of now. Let's see. Will update. Third question, where the merch at? It's coming. It's coming. That's all I'm gonna say for now. But yeah, there is some stuff going on. Will update again. The most stupidest game you ever streamed? Stupidest is in what sense? Like stupid can be, you know, like funny stupid, then it would be Party Animals for sure. I think that game was stupidly funny, and I guess Human Fall Flat also. और क्या ऐसे stupid game जो मैंने stream किया है, मेरे को दिमाग में कुछ अभी ध्यान में आ नहीं रहा है वैसे तो, but yeah, I think these two games could be the most stupidest game. There isn't a stupid game as such. Actually, there is. It's called Unfair Mario. It's a very stupid game. Very. Do you plan on playing Minecraft again? I actually do. And जैसे मैंने अभी बोला था ना कि I'm gonna be focusing more on making videos rather than streaming. So I'm planning. I don't know if I will be able to do it or not, but like I'm planning to start like a Minecraft Let's Play series. I've seen a lot of people do it, and I love watching those videos. Like मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आता है ऐसे Let's Play series देखने को, you know, seeing them build and everything. But then I'm not really a Minecraft professional, or I don't really know much about how Minecraft works. So that's why I'm like skeptical कि will I be able to do it? Will it be a good series? Will people like it? Like I feel like nowadays I have started thinking a lot about will people like this, will people watch it, will people find it boring. पहले कैसे I used to do it for fun, like I used to do it because I just wanted to do it, and I think I need to change that. I think इसलिए मेरा channel थोड़ा सा अभी Hi Alita, come here, come on, come here Alita, come here, come on, get up. She does not want to get up. Come here, come on, इधर आओ, ये लो, ये देखो क्या है ये, come on. Come on, there you go. There you go. Hi, puppy. Sit, sit. Good, good. Good, good. Have you joined us in our Q&A today? Mwah. Mwah. She does not want to sit here. Not at all. But I've just like forced her into sitting here. Okay. There she goes. There she melts into the sofa. Alito. Alito. Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Never mind. Okay, she is going to be just a pillow next to us. What was I saying? Yeah, like I've just started thinking a lot about like what people are gonna think and all of that. But I should just focus on doing what I really like and what I really like playing. Because otherwise, yeah, it's gonna get boring. And I'm not gonna be enjoying it anymore. And then I'll probably have to do something else. Yeah, that can't happen. Okay guys, I'm back. My previous camera ka battery died. See, that's the problem with Canon M50. If you guys are planning to buy the Canon M50, it has a really bad battery issue. So, just saying, like you might need to get like 2 batteries, or else like get one of those adapters जिसको तुम wall socket में plug in करके you can shoot your long videos, because like one battery is just not enough. बहुत जल्दी उसका बैटरी खत्म हो जाता है. Let's resume. Where were we? I was talking about, okay, the previous question. Okay, let's resume. From the girl who used to stream on Twitch for 5 to 10 viewers to Zaya today, what would you say has changed in you as a person? To be honest, not much has changed. I am still the same old Zaya. I guess I rage a little less now. I think that's the only difference. Apart from that, not much. Yeah, and I've become a bit more depressed. Just kidding. Just kidding, don't take that seriously. But yeah, I feel like I haven't really changed as a person. I mean, I definitely have grown as a creator, you know, but yeah, as a person, not much. Actually, one thing might have changed. Back then, I used to be like extremely shy. When you stream every day to like so many people, you get used to talking to new people, and वो help करता है, you know, in real life situations as well. Whenever you meet new people, it's not as scary anymore. Most annoying thing about streaming. दीदी ये गेम क्यों खेल रहे हो, दीदी कुछ और खेलो, दीदी BGMI खेलो, दीदी Valorant खेलो, दीदी please play Warzone. Like if I'll be playing Valorant, people will come and say please play Warzone. If I'll be playing Warzone, people will be like please play Valorant. Like जो streamer को खेलना है खेलने दो ना भाई, क्या problem है तुमको? If you don't like what they're playing, just come the next day when they're probably playing the game that you like. Oh also, दीदी आपकी watching इतनी कम क्यों आ रही है? Like who cares? Who cares? तुमको अगर content अच्छा लग रहा है तो देखो. Simple as that. Will you play Fortnite again? No. Do you regret even for a second about leaving a stable job to become a full-time streamer? If it was possible that you would have a job of 5 to 6 hours with a decent pay and then rest of the time to stream, would you take it? At my current scenario, no. Because honestly, I love what I do. I'm very grateful that I'm able to have this job. Not a lot of people can say that, you know, they do what they love for a living, and I am extremely grateful that I can say that. And yeah, I mean, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल टाइम चल रहा है, but it's not so bad that we can't recover from it. You just can't give up so easily, you know. इतने 3 साल मैंने इतना कुछ नहीं किया था just to give up in the end and be like हाँ हो गया भाई, ख़त्म हो गया, नहीं हो रहा मेरे से, और I will not do that. I will continue. So yeah, no, I do not regret. लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं, करियर में भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स होती है. इफ़ आई हैड सम अदर जॉब उसमें भी मेरा बुरा टाइम आता होता कभी ना कभी. इट्स लाइफ, इट हैपन्स. कभी बुरा टाइम चल रहा होगा एंड देन कभी अच्छा टाइम चलेगा. यू जस्ट गॉट टू डील विद इट एंड कंटिन्यू डूइंग व्हाट यू डू. नेवर गिव अप. If you can have another pet, cat or dog. I really want one more dog and I really want a cat as well. So both. I just want all the pets. I just want all the dogs and all the cats in the entire world. You know, bachpan mein, me and my mom, we wanted to open our own like animal rescue shelter. Let's see. That could be my retirement plan. I really want to open a shelter someday. Fingers crossed. Do you get frustrated with streaming? What would you rather do if you move on? Sometimes yes, I do get frustrated. Like it's very difficult to find like games that people will like watching and abhi aajkal trend mein kya chal raha hai, what games are people enjoying. So I think that is something that really frustrates me. Also like I feel like being an Indian streamer, you don't really have the freedom to play like whatever you want, because then the audience won't be there to support you because the audience wants very specific things. So yeah, I think that is the only thing that really frustrates me. Apart from that, no, nothing. I get to play games and make money. Why would it be ever frustrating? But yeah, I guess that's the only thing that really annoys me. But then like any other job, it has its cons, but uske pros bhi bahut sare hain. So yeah, very diplomatic answers no I'm giving today. मेरे को से feel हो रहा है थोड़ा सा. Oh, that's it guys. बस इतने ही questions थे क्या? और सारे questions भी डालते थे ना उधर Discord पे. Let me actually go and check Discord पे और क्या क्या questions डाला है तुम लोगों ने, because मैंने इतने questions लिखे थे, but I feel like answering some more. मेरे कैमरा में 9% बैटरी है. I feel like we can get some more questions. Q&A. Do you do anything besides gaming like a job, or gaming is a full time? Yes, gaming is my full time. Apart from gaming, I watch YouTube quite a lot. I watch Twitch streams quite a lot. I take care of Alito. I eat food. That's it. And I play games. That's it. Wait, that is gaming. But yeah. That's it. When is the Q&A? Have you ever met Elon Musk? Yes. There you have it guys. That was it. That was my Q&A. If you want me to answer more questions, then go to my Discord server and there is a Q&A text channel. You can drop in your questions and let's see when I'll make another Q&A video. You might have to wait 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, 1 week. You never know. But yeah, drop in your questions, whatever you want me to answer. And yeah, that was it. I hope you enjoyed guys. I mean I'm really new to like making ऐसे video content, so I don't really have ऐसे एक intro and an outro like yo guys what's up, welcome back to my channel. कुछ बनाना पड़ेगा अपने को ऐसा एकदम catchy intro and even an outro as well. But yeah, for now I guess if you like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe please. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day I guess. Bye. See you next time on another video or stream. But yeah, bye. Thank you so much for joining. I love you all.